Welcome to our channel, English Kinglish. Hey, is this seat taken?
No, not at all. Go ahead.
Thanks. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. The weather feels perfect today.
I agree. Not too hot, not too cold. It's kind of peaceful here.
It is. I come here sometimes during my break. It helps me relax.
Same here. Work gets really stressful, so this park feels like a small escape.
What do you do, if you don't mind me asking?
I work in an office nearby, mostly computer work. What about you?
I work at a marketing company. Lots of meetings, lots of talking.
That sounds tiring.
It is, but I like it most days. At least it's not boring.
True. Boring jobs are the worst. By the way, I'm Mike.
Nice to meet you. Mike, I'm Jennifer.
Nice to meet you too, Jennifer.
Do you come here every day?
Not every day, but whenever I can. What about you?
Almost every weekday. This bench is kind of my spot now.
I guess I stole your spot today then.
It's okay. I don't mind sharing.
How long is your break?
About 30 minutes. Not long, but better than nothing.
Same here. I usually spend half of it just trying to breathe.
I know that feeling. Sometimes I sit here and do nothing.
Doing nothing is underrated.
Exactly. People always want to be busy.
So, what do you usually do after work?
I like reading, watching series, and sometimes walking. What about you?
I go to the gym sometimes. Other days, I just go home and rest.
That sounds balanced.
I try. Do you like exercising?
Not really. Walking is enough for me. Do you enjoy your job?
Honestly? Some days yes, some days no.
That's fair.
I like the people, but the work can be repetitive. How about you?
I enjoy the creativity part, but the pressure can be too much.
Pressure can drain you.
Yeah, that's why breaks like this matter.
Do you ever feel like time moves too fast?
All the time. Weeks feel like days now.
Exactly. That's why moments like this feel important.
Sitting quietly, talking to a stranger.
Yeah. Sometimes strangers are easier to talk to.
They are. No expectations.
So, do you usually talk to strangers in parks?
Only if they seem normal.
I hope I passed the test.
So far, yes.
That's a relief.
Do you have any big goals right now?
I want to grow in my career, maybe travel more. You?
I want a calmer life, less stress, more peace.
That sounds like a good goal.
What about traveling? Any place in mind?
Japan, maybe. I like the culture.
That's interesting. I'd like to visit Italy.
Food.
Food and history.
Looks like my break is almost over.
Same here.
It was nice talking to you, Jennifer.
You too, Mike. This was a good break.
Maybe we'll run into each other again.
Maybe same time, same bench.
I'll remember that.
Take care.
You too.
Vocabulary used in this video. 1. Seat taken, meaning someone is already sitting there. Example, is this seat taken? 2. Go ahead, meaning yes, you can do it. Example, go ahead and sit here. 3. Peaceful, meaning calm, quiet, relaxing. Example, the park is very peaceful. 4. Break time, meaning short rest time during work. Example, I come here during my break time. 5. Stressful, meaning causing stress or tension. Example, work gets really stressful. 6. Escape, meaning a short break from problems. Example, this park feels like a small escape. 7. Office work, meaning work done on a computer or desk. Example, I do mostly office work. 8. If you don't mind me asking, meaning a polite way to ask a question. Example, if you don't mind me asking, what do you do? 9. Tiring, meaning makes you feel tired. Example, that sounds tiring. 10. Boring, meaning not interesting. Example, boring jobs are the worst. 11. Whenever I can, meaning anytime it is possible. Example, I come here whenever I can. 12. Underrated, meaning not valued enough. Example, doing nothing is underrated. 13. balanced, meaning good mix of things, example, that sounds balanced. 14. Repetitive, meaning the same thing again and again, example, the work can be repetitive. 15. Pressure, meaning stress or responsibility, example, the pressure can be too much. 16. Drain, meaning make you feel very tired, example, pressure can drain you. 17. Moments, meaning short periods of time, example, moments like this feel important. 80. A stranger, meaning a person you don't know, example, sometimes strangers are easier to talk to. 19. Expectations, meaning what people think should happen, example, no expectations. 20. Goals, meaning things you want to achieve, example, do you have any goals? 21. Culture, meaning traditions and way of life, example, I like the culture. 22. Comfortable silence, meaning quiet without feeling awkward, example, comfortable silence is rare. 23. Run into, meaning meet by chance, example, maybe we'll run into each other again. 24. Take care, meaning a polite goodbye, example, take care. Subscribe, like, and tap the bell button.